All right, guys, welcome to Module 2, the anatomy of a successful Instagram account. And I just want to start by asking the simple question, why do people follow Instagram accounts? Usually it falls into one of four reasons. For entertainment purposes, so think things like memes, maybe it's a sports account, some highlights that they want to see, something that's entertaining, makes them laugh, makes them feel something. The second reason is to learn more about a certain topic. So this could be news, this could be very niche audiences about something like diet or a specific topic that you just want to learn more about and be exposed to more types of content about. The third reason would to be to, and this is kind of similar to number two, to see more content about a specific topic. So maybe you're struggling going through a breakup and you find an account that talks all about breakup recovery, strategies to like self-soothe and get back in touch with yourself. So we go through these phases where we want to see certain types of content that are maybe relevant to the situation that we're going through currently, or just feel something in general, feel more positivity or more information about a certain topic. And then the fourth reason is specifically for updates or news. And this could be the reason that you follow your friends for updates about their life. Or something like news, where you're actually following kind of current events as they happen, sports center events, news around the world events, political news. So there are really these four core reasons on why we decide to follow an Instagram account. Your job as an account owner is to create a follower magnet. And let me explain what I mean by that. Everybody is in their own current situation. And usually, most of us have some sort of a desired situation. That could be as silly as feeling entertained, being able to laugh more often, or as kind of difficult, as I was referring to earlier, as getting over maybe a challenging breakup or something like that. So your job as a creator is to create a follower magnet. And let me give you an example. So let's say that you've decided that, it's New Year's and you want to lose weight. You want to get more fit and change the way your body looks. So your current situation is that you are not happy with your current body situation. You want to get in shape. You might want to lose weight, learn more about diet, whatever it is. And your desired situation is that you want to lose 15 pounds of fat. As a follower magnet within that niche, your account would be the vehicle that helps inspire, motivate, teach, and possibly even provide actual products to help that person go from their current situation to their desired situation. Here are some simple checkboxes on creating a follower magnet. 1, it's going to help them solve a problem, meaning it's going to be informative. 2, it's entertaining, meaning the delivery is great. 3, it's bingeable. So when they come onto your account and they scroll through, they know what they're going to see. There's not going to be these random different kind of themes and niches on each video. Like, it's all very organized around the same niche, around the same topic. They know what to expect, and they can spend, 20, 30 minutes just going through all of your content when they first arrive on your account. And then the last thing is just that it's trendy. The production quality is good. Maybe it's a new style that is kind of new to the market, and it's something that people want to enjoy consuming. Creating a follower magnet is really at the intersection of these three things. 1 is that it's informative, meaning the information is on point and it lands with your audience. 2 is that the production quality is good. The videos are high quality, they're HD. It's not some crappy little thing that you strung together and is very obvious. And then 3 is that the delivery is good, meaning you scripted it out. There's a hook that really captivates your viewer and draws them into the content. And it's just well thought out.